Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Well, I've kind of been on a kick lately, talking about good master locks. I've already done two, and well, let's talk about a third one. Yeah, there's more than three pretty decent master locks out there. So, well, what I want to talk about now is, and I got these used, pair of Master Lock 7050s Pro Series. And once again, I want to say the Pro Series locks, aside from this one you saw me pick not long ago that was, barely pinned up at all, well, then these are the better ones, of course. I've already picked open and cleaned this one up. I mean, it was pretty nasty. Still got a little paint on it here. But this one was very, very grimy. It wasn't rusty at all, so it must have been in a greasy environment. But it is all cleaned up now and jazzed up with good pins. Well, with better pins. These aren't bad after all. So let's go ahead and get into this one that I haven't cleaned up yet. And, well, I want to pick it in hand, if I can. Maybe. Let's lower that down just a little bit more. Go ahead and zoom in, and I'll look around the side of the camera while I pick. And just like the one that I just did in my last good Master Lock video, this one here, the Model 6230, it's got the same reversed American lock keyway, and that being said, I can't use anything but a 15 thousandths pick in it. So let's go ahead and take a look. There's a click from 1, nothing on 2, nothing on 3, little click from 4, little click from 5. It's back to 1, nothing, so a little click off of 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. It's back to 1, nothing. 2, nothing. 3, nothing. 4, okay, got a click. A little click off of 5. Nothing on 1. A little click from 2. Got a little counter rotation maybe on 3. Let's pass it up, go to 4. And 5. So let's take a look at 1 again. Kind of lost all my feelings. That was pin 2. That was pin 3, and I am in a false set now. Nothing on 5. And that's kind of awkward. Ah, crap. Well, I lost my false set there. So let's go ahead and try again. Ah. Okay, that was pin 4. That was pin 5. Let's come back to 1. Little click from 1. Counter rotation on 2. There we go. Okay, back to the front. Okay, looks like pin 1 needs some love. And I want to try to get at one with a deeper pick. Let's see here. Because it's kind of hiding right behind the pry bar there. There we go, I got it. Nothing on 2. Little tiny click from 3. Nothing on 4. Okay, I think that was pin 2. That was pin 4. Okay. Man, that spring tension is tough on that core. But yeah, put up a good little fight. Let's grab a pinning tray. Let's go with this one here. One of the uglier of my pinning trays because it just didn't print out as good. And it was green. I didn't like the green, so I spray painted it black. So let's go ahead and dump this one out. And this one's one of the ones that takes the 7/32. A little bit gunky, a little greasy. I did spray this with Tri-Flow before I started. And yeah, it's not as bad on the inside as the other one was, but still. Okay, this one has a crimped core. Let's go ahead and put the key in. Turn it to the crimped spot. And this little follower that Bearsback sent me is being very helpful so far. Okay, so it's 5 pins, and I don't think any of these are going to be security pins unless somebody during its life has repinned it with American Lock pins. And it's not looking like that so far. Okay, so there's our 5 drivers, and nothing's been done to the core. Yeah, let's go ahead and set that up there. There we go. Use that slot like I designed it. How's that? Let's see here. I got tweezers right here. And I'm likely to find either all spools or 4 spools and a standard, or 4 spools and a serrated. So we will see 3 spools so far. There's my 4th spool. And 5. So 5 spools. There we go. Springs came out. And nothing done to the Bible. Okay, let me wipe some of that grease off onto my shirt here. Whew. Yeah, that Tri-Flow, I mean, it's slicky. That's good lubricant. And, well, SE Lock and Key, he did a video on lubricants, and Tri-Flow was one of the ones that passed his very rigorous torture test. So, I guess I'll put a link to that video at the description of this video because it was kind of a neat video. And I don't put links in my videos too often. But there we go. There is our pins in this Pro Series 78 or 7050. all standards down below, and all spools up top. I will do this one too, but not in this video. I'll throw it up in another video, and that's the one that I plussed up a little bit. I didn't put challenge pins in it, but I put some good pins in it. But anyway, guys, please stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. Please like, comment, subscribe, and if you feel the urge, go ahead and head on over to Patreon. Do a search for Truckmaster30 and go ahead and, you know, support my channel that way. So I'd appreciate it if you do. You don't have to, but I appreciate it. So stay safe. Don't do anything illegal. I think I've already said those before. I'm saying them again. And have a fantastic day.